Just picked up the concrete cutting saw for our concrete weatherboards. That's Mount Wellington up there. One good thing about living in Auckland is that you've always got a mountain nearby. Should we go up there now and... yeah, why not?
3, 2, 1.
Good news, we got all the cladding. What's up, bro?
None of that new one, because the vacuum sort of acts as a loop.
Oh, it's got quite a long cord on it.
Yeah.
We're just discussing the vacuum because we're cutting all these concrete weatherboards that finally arrived with a diamond cutter attached to a vacuum. In order for the weatherboards to sit at the right angle, they rely on the weatherboard beneath it to keep it that way. You then have a problem with the bottom weatherboard not being kept out like that. So you need to put something under there to stop it going like that. That's where Pato Bell comes in.
What?
I'm trying to illustrate
Probably not 7 meters, but...
I'm trying to illustrate the angle fillets. And then you pin that to the wall, and you put that on there. And then you never see that because it's underneath.
Well, bang.
Yeah. That's the first weatherboard on. The slowest weatherboard. Now we can fly up the wall right after morning tea.
Yes, plenty, mate.
Another gourmet meal. So we got our little data mark here. A little bit. Pato's marked all these points for the top of each weatherboard. Quick way of transferring all the heights. So that data mark corresponds with all these marks here. So he brings the stick along, lines up the data mark with the pencil mark, and then we can put all new marks for the top of each weatherboard, and then we know we're staying level as we work our way up, and consistent as well. It's called a story rod.
Because it tells the story. See how well it lines up with the bottom one.
What we have here now is an example of how these boards join. So that there is the tongue. The end of the other board has a groove in it, and we put a bit of silicone down here and slot it in there. And that's why you end up with all of this down here. Silicone sticking out. And then as soon as the silicone dries, we can use a knife and scrape it off and get a nice clean. That's why we don't do it at the moment. Scrape it off and get a nice clean joint. There we go. How's that?
Yep, it's all good.
Sweet. Woo! Tell you what's tiring, doing concrete weatherboards. These things are heavy, man. We've got a fair few on. Concrete weatherboards are coming down and overlapping the concrete nibble we did last month. And now you've got your fire seal, all concrete. Just a bit more at the top there that we'll finish on Monday. Then we can make our way around the sides here. So it should be good. Peace out, bro. Hey, Pato.
Yes. So, oh fuck. Oh fuck, it's YouTube now.
It's YouTube.